morning, friends and faculty members from Commodity Market, MITCON, and Director of Extension Education, Assam Agriculture University, and my colleagues in this directory. So we are going to start our very important topic, which is very new to all of us, and it is a very interesting topic. So before starting that, just we have one small felicitation program. So I request Mr. Dhaiwar, the consultant from MITCON, to felicitate our Director of Extension Education, Dr. V.C. Thomas. The next guest who is amongst us is Mr. N.P. Krishnan, Deputy Director, FMC. So he will be felicitated by our colleague, Mr. Ranjit Saul.
Welcome to you, sir.
So another important gentleman who is the most key person of the MITCON, and he is also faculty member and he is also resource person of this training program. He is Mr. Panche. He will be felicitated by Dr. R. South, Ethic, Manager Ethic. Mr. Dhaiwar, who is the consultant of MITCON, who is for last 15 days, he is with us, and he is the actually man behind this training program. So on behalf of Agriculture University and on behalf of these participants, he will be felicitated by another colleague, my Dr. J. Goswami. So our friends felicitation program is over. So once again I welcome on behalf of Agriculture University to all the participants and the faculty members of MITCON. And now I request to put you a welcome address, that is Course Director M. Dhaiwar from MITCON.
Thank you, Dr. Pujari sir. Good morning to you all. Honorable Director of Extension Education, Dr. Bomi sir. Honorable Deputy Director from Forward Market Commission, Mr. M.P. Krishna. Senior Extension Specialist, Dr. Pujari sir. Other faculty members of the Assam Agriculture University, and representative of various KVKs. I welcome to all in this trainer training program on commodity market. It is our great pleasure to organize this program in collaboration with Assam Agriculture University. Forward Market Commission is conducting a similar kind of program and various awareness program on commodity market across the country. For Northeastern state, FMC has entrusted MITCON to conduct this program. In this program, we have invited delegates from KVKs of 4 states, that is Assam, then Mizoram, Manipur and Nagaland. Similar one more program for remaining 4 state KVKs we are planning to conduct. So this way we are going to cover all KVKs of Northeastern state under this program. The objective of the program is to acquaint participants business opportunities available in commodity market, commodity future market, and open doors of commodity market to rural extension workers and farmers. This 3 days program is designed in such a way that you should understand all aspects of commodity market, and after this training program you have to conduct 1-day farmers awareness program in your respective district. For that guideline and how to organize this program, all discussion we will do within this 3 days program. So our program module is designed in such a way that it should become interactive. Whatever you have, since this is a very new concept, whatever you have doubts, it will be clarified by our faculty members. We have invited very experienced faculty. Mr. Avadut Pense is our very senior faculty, has come all the way from Pune, and we have designed module in such a way that at the end of this trainers training program, at the end of third day, you should ever be in position to organize and conduct one day farmer awareness program in your respective states or districts. So friends, agriculture, Indian agriculture basically has two main hurdles. That is called as 2M. First M is monsoon and second M is market. And both monsoon and market is not in the hand of farmers. So always more emphasis is given on marketing of agriculture produce. In our institute, we are conducting various training programs for farmers. We have various autonomous courses for farmers. We conduct training program on floriculture, then fishery, dairy science, food processing, medicinal plant. So in our program, we give major focus on marketing of the agri produce. I was conducting one training program in collaboration of Manage Hyderabad, and that was on horticulture. And I was doing preparing timetable, and there are a lot of topics. So some topic I had to delete. So I made call to director of Manage, Dr. Chandrasekhar, and asked that which topic I should delete and which topic I should keep. So he gave me a very significant answer. He told me that whatever related to marketing, you keep in agenda, other you may delete. So it indicates the importance of marketing in agriculture sector. So this is our, this program is also focused on marketing, but this is some different mode of marketing. So I request all of you to participate totally in this program. I request all of you to interact with our faculty members, and whatever message you get here, you percolate in your respective district to your farmers. I wish you, sincerely thanks to Assam Agriculture University and Director of Extension Education for providing all the resources to us. Also thankful to Foreign Market Commission for sponsoring this program. I wish you all the best to the program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Herbert, for your welcome address. So now I request Mr. M.P. Krishnan, Deputy Director for Foreign Market Commission, to address the participants.
Respected Dr. Bhaumik, Director of Extension Education, Assam Agriculture University, Dr. N.N. Pujari, Senior Extension Specialist, and other faculty members of Assam Agriculture University,